Hi everyone, my name is Aisha Ochuwa, and once again I am here to prep your mind about starting a business. But this time I want to specifically point out the part that is mostly undiscussed. This has to do with the struggles of running a business. Obstacles will surely arise. They may get you in your feelings and want to force you to back down, but please don't give in to pressure. Do not back down. Running a business is a forever venture. So no matter what the universe throws at you, you will scale through. To find meaning in the struggle, you must reconnect with the values and goals that led you to start the business in the first place. What inspired you to take that big step? What are you trying to achieve? What impact are you trying to leave in the world? This should motivate you to stay strong and hang in there, because there is a bigger picture. There are a lot of business owners that are online midnight. You work throughout the day, you go home, you still do not sleep. You have like 2 hours of sleep every day. Now, let me tell you what's involved there. By the time you do not rest, your body will break down, because body no be firewood.